The law offices of Spar Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAW.
Hello?
I'm here, man. I'm here. I'm just a little bit depressed,
What?
I'm just a bit depressed.
Don't be depressed. Don't be depressed. I'll tell you why. Let me tell you why not to be depressed.
I'm depressed for the people out there,
Yes, I am depressed for the people too. Okay? But we will live to fight another day. Okay? And the fight is not over. And they're playing with people's lives. And they're not playing with the lives of 10 people or 20 people or 1,000 people. They are playing with the lives of millions and millions of people. We're not even talking about the 12 to 15 million illegal aliens in the United States. They're talking about people all over the world who want to come here, who want to be reunited with their family. They're playing with the lives of the employers who want to hire illegal aliens and can't. They're playing with just about every person's life here in America.
They need a page. You know what that means, Brad?
I know what that means. We're not going to knock any of them off.
No, I didn't say that. That's not what I said. You get me in trouble here. I never said that. I just said that they need a page.
That's a sit down.
They need a talk.
Yeah.
Someone needs to have a talk with them.
I think that my
Do you know how many people have been relying on this? I speak to hundreds of people every week about this. Yeah.
Squeeze. So you know what the people have to do?
What?
Get their name in the system. I can't stress it enough.
All right. Let's get some.
Can you stress it for me any more than I can?
Listen, people, let's just get some names in the system right now. Everybody that's listening, the opportunity
get
window.
Sponsored in a job.
The opportunity window just open up a little bit wider. Jump through the window before it closes again. The number right now to call is 1-800-LAW-LINK. People, please, I'm begging you, get your name in the system. At least when these knuckleheads decide that they're going to pass the law, you will be in. All right? So right now, do me a favor. Just call Spar Bernstein. Just get in there. All right? If you got to work out a payment plan with Brad, so be it. I will ask him to do that. But get your name in the system, please. All right? And it's, this is bad news, but it's also good news for those of you who did not get your name into the system.
And I just want to say one other thing.
Quickly.
Okay? All right? The Bible says, and I don't want people to get depressed or angry. Okay? I want people to be informed. And I want people to press their relatives who are legal here in the United States to press their elected officials to change the law.
True.
That's what democracy is all about. And I also want to say, okay, that there's been a lot of patience on the part of a lot of people, on the part of the lawyers, the broadcasters, and most importantly, there's been patience on the people who need the help, okay? And the Bible, okay, I don't say this, the Bible says this. Patience is a virtue, okay? And good things will come to those who wait, and it will happen. There is no other possibility. They can't deport you all.
Right.
They can't leave you here illegally indefinitely. The only solution is to legalize the people that are here.
Right.
It will happen, and it's going to happen sooner rather than later. And the longer it takes for them to legalize people, the easier it will be for people to get their names in the system and jump ahead of all the people who don't.
Okay. All right. Once again, folks, Brad Bernstein, Squeeze, we're here, and the battle continues. All right?
Yeah. Also, DJ Sean emailed me all happy that he doesn't need a passport to go to Jamaica.
So he doesn't need a passport?
No, well, it's not so. He doesn't see the complete news story. Okay, all they did was that if you have applied for a passport and you don't have one, and you can show proof that you applied for a passport application,
you can travel.
You can travel to the Caribbean, Mexico, or Canada with proof that you filed the application and your driver's license.
You hear that?
Through the end of September, since they're so backed up on passports.
Sean, shake
but it's not. I never applied for a passport.
Sean said he didn't apply.
I don't have a passport, and I'm getting on an airplane.
You're an asphalt,
Sean,
man.
you will be the first American to self-deport himself.
The man has not traveled for work in
The
a year.
man will deport himself and he's an American because he will have no passport to come back.
Man, unbelievable. Anyway, Brad, let's squeeze in some calls right now.
Yes.
In about 6 minutes, we got to go do Miss Clue. Hello, caller. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
All right.
Yeah. I got a question for Brad.
Yeah.
Is the advance parole, how what's the guarantee on that to travel? Is it really safe to travel on?
If you have the advance parole and you return to the United States before the expiration on the advance parole, and your case has not been denied while you are outside of the United States, you are 100% going to return. Now, the problem with advance parole is that you have to read this fine print. Fine print says is if you travel outside the United States and you've lived here illegally for more than a year, you can't get a green card for 10 years. So if you've lived here illegally for more than a year, you get the advance parole, you return home, you come back, you go for your adjustment interview. They will deny your green card because you left the United States and were here illegally for more than a year.
Okay. 1-800-LAW-LINK. Call now if you have not filed anything with Spar Bernstein as yet. Go in.
It's also
and file it.
3 years for 180 days.
Okay. Next call. Hello.
Yes, hello?
How you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay.
I am calling to ask a question. My husband had filed for me, and they denied the petition because they said they're not sure of him acquiring his green card was genuine. I want to know what is it that I have to do now.
Why don't they think that he acquired his green card genuinely?
Because he was married before.
Right. And he claimed he was single when he was married when he got his green card, right?
No.
He got married to get his green card, and now.
No,
I don't know. Then you tell me.
Seriously, did he get it the right way?
I don't know. No. Tell me what happened. I don't know.
Whoa. Let me talk here. All right?
Oh, excuse me?
I'm the one driving here. Sit in the passenger seat for a minute, man. Hang on. All right? Ma'am.
Yeah.
Let me ask you. Did he get his green card the legal way? Not the illegal, the legal way. Did he?
Yes, he got it the legal way, yeah.
Okay, so, and you're 100% sure about that?
Yes.
Okay. That's all I wanted to find out. Now, Brad, you may take it from here.
Call 1-800-LAW-LINK and come in and talk to me.
There you go. That's what I thought he was going to say. Because right now he's got issues. But as long as you can say to me that, yeah, he did, whichever way anyway, you need to go into Brad right now, or he needs to go into Brad right now and see him. All right?
Okay.
Tell him don't panic. Tell him don't worry. Okay? Brad is there to help him. All right?
So
He needs an attorney. 529
Mm-hmm.
5465.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you.
Brad is the driver. We said don't stop at all. All right?
Okay.
All right, no problem. All right, good. Let me just say something here. Folks, let me tell you. Anyone, and this is Squeeze's opinion. If you have been arrested, if you have been turned down, anything that is complicating you getting your green card or your passport, please do yourself a favor. You don't even need to call to ask Brad. Just go in and see him. Because if it's getting complicated, you need help. All right? Because you're going to screw it up again. Trust me, you're going to screw it up again. Brad tells you all the time that some of these things, fine. Brad said don't even bother to come to him. Just do it yourself. But if you have been arrested, if the immigration officer is giving you a hard time, if you've been waiting for years, no matter how many letters you write, nothing is happening, something is wrong.
Squeeze.
Yes.
Okay. If you didn't need a lawyer to deal with immigration, there would be nobody listening to us right now.
That's it.
Okay? Proof is in the pudding. We have more listeners than anybody. So I would always ask, do you need a lawyer? Well, I have lots of people listening to me because I give them better advice than they can give themselves as far as when it comes to immigration.
Brad, I think I'm a smart guy. I could have done mine, but I had an arrest.
That's right. And you did, wait a second, didn't you try to do yours on your own for 5 times?
Initially.
And got turned down 5 times?
Yeah.
Or is that my imagination?
I went to some consultant in the first place years ago. Like a
jerk. You went to a consultant when I first came on the air. And
No, you weren't. No, it was before you came on, man.